Hi, I'm DeAnna Hansen from NatureWise Pharmacy, Fresh Fruits and Veggies Co-op. This is our co-op day and I'm going to show you how we pack a basket. First of all, we line all the fruits and veggies up on the tables from heaviest to lightest, and we go through and just pack them in. We have it all predetermined on how many goes in each basket. I'm going to pack a basket and let you waste your time for about 3 minutes here. First there was apples, now there's cabbage, there's a bag of onions, there's grapefruit, we have yellow squash. This is a nice full basket this time. Zucchini squash. We have romaine lettuce. We have a seedless cucumber. We have broccoli heads. We have red seedless grapes. Spinach. Strawberries. And fresh basil, of which I will separate and add into each basket after we get all the baskets done. Thanks!